Today we are celebrating the 100th Foundation Day of Jamia Millia Islamia. I take this opportunity to congratulate everybody who is attached and or was attached with Jamia at some stage or the other. It's a wonderful feeling that this university, which started in the tents, has come up and is now in a sprawling South Delhi campus of multi-storied buildings. It has grown from almost nothing to a huge presence. It has the presence of being a very good university, and this I think we all owe to all the founders and their selfless work that they did for starting this university and letting it grow and giving us guidance and directions which we had followed and have reached this level. This university was started on the nationalist philosophy and on Gandhian principles of non-violence and Nai Talim. It is still continuing on the same. In one way or the other, we are following what Gandhi said and what our founders and the architects of this university have told us. We are still following that. Today we have, as we all know, today we have about 20,000 students in this campus and another 15,000 off campus, that is a distance mode. We have 800 faculty members and a number of departments, like 38 departments and 38 around the same number as research centers, besides our 9 faculties. And that makes it a university which is multidisciplinary, which is a very unique feature for being a university, but makes it a complete university because the student is not only studying his own subject but is also coming across many other subjects which he can take while his studies are on, or can get friendly with that group and take back the culture of another subject. Jamia can now boast of courses from all significant branches of science and arts and learning and research. Our research, I am proud to say, is so much relevant and so much appreciated, and therefore based on that we have been considered as one of the good research universities of India. We are among the top 10 universities of India. The NIRF puts us there, and in one of the surveys that MHRD did, we scored 90%, which was the highest in the country. So this university has earned a lot of respect from the other people, and among the other universities it is considered as the most sought after university. Our interest is to keep the student population diverse, collecting students from all over the country and abroad, and that makes it a very alive campus, and which represents all the communities and genders on this campus, and is almost like a mini India. The university has now become the desired destination for many students, and this year I must say that we have received much more applications than we had taken earlier, or we can even accommodate this year also, which shows that this is a popular destination among the students and their parents. In this university, we strive to realize the dreams of our forefathers and architects of this university, and our vision is to create a human universe that offers inclusiveness, equity, fellowship and justice and peace for each and every person on this earth and inside the university. We are trying our best to achieve these goals and have, to some extent, we are reaching there. For me, it's a rare honor and privilege to be leading an institution that is completing 100 years of its existence and has grown up to the expectations of everybody. As the first woman Vice Chancellor of Jamia Millia, I am honored and I am humbled to be given this responsibility, and I am trying my best to live up to the directions of the founders of this university, and also up to the expectations of the students, of the teachers, of the society and of nation. I consider it my responsibility to offer as many courses to the girl students as possible and increase their number, which is already there and constantly increasing, but I want to be still more. I want to offer to them the best courses that are useful for girls, which attracts them and makes them job ready, and also the confidence of their parents that their girl child is in a safe campus of Jamia Millia. For this, I have been trying my best of starting new courses as well as starting more hostels for girls on the campus. At Jamia Millia Islamia, we continue to serve the nation through quality teaching and research. We are making endeavors to become a world-class teaching institute which has research as well as teaching university by bringing in the best national and international partnerships through development of collaborative partnerships with institutions of excellence both domestically and internationally. In the recent years, Jamia has made significant strides. It has got A grade in NAAC accreditation, and it has bagged the first position among all central universities in the country in ranking released by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, scoring 90% of in respect of key parameters fixed by the MOU in 2019 and 20. The Ministry of Education National Institutional Ranking Framework (NIRF) also placed Jamia in the 10th position among the best of the universities in India. So Jamia has ultimately entered the top 10 university group, which is something very commendable, and it makes us happy as well as also make us understand our responsibility to go ahead and become higher in NIRF. At the international level, we are also in the Times Higher Education and in other rankings. We have gone ahead and brought remarkable changes, which makes us being recognized at the international level also. The entire world is reeling under the COVID-19 pandemic, and we have had our own share of this challenge. Safety and health of our stakeholders is our prime concern, and we have exhibited diligence and meticulously care to look after our students, our teachers and staff to insulate them from this pandemic as far as possible. We have also submitted a lot of research proposals to the government, in which we will be dealing with various aspects of COVID-19, and not only in science but also in social science areas, because this has affected practically all areas of our lives. In spite of COVID-19, we have been able to complete our teaching, our research, our admissions and examinations well in time, for which I am grateful to all my teachers who have been working while the COVID was going on on its full charge. The teachers were working day and night and trying to reach out to the students and been successful. We have also trained the teachers to be able to teach online, and that's why that makes us still more equipped with the ability to handle COVID-19. COVID-19 has also brought a lot of publications, because when people are at home, they still may have more time to do writings and others. So a lot of publications are there, and innumerable webinars are being taken up by each of the department and on various aspects and various topics, which are very useful and widely attended across the globe. So we are not waiting for COVID-19 to go. We are working in spite of its presence. With the completion of 100 years today, I am still dreaming of another 100 and another 100 year of this institution, and I hope that people in the next generation will be able to take it up in a much better way and make it one of the best institutions in the country as well as in the world. We are now open and already working on the world level education in Jamia Millia Islamia, and I hope to get cooperation from all of you who are here today, and all of my students, my teachers, and everybody should cooperate in that to make it a bigger institution and a much accepted institution. It has definitely brought this university as now being respected a lot, much more than it was earlier, and because of our status in the national as well as international ranking, and also its ability to work during the COVID-19 situation, which the others were not going at this pace. Our pace was one of the fastest during that period. I wish luck to everybody, and again congratulate everybody who is here, and I hope to see Jamia in future at still higher levels than it has been. Thank you very much.